Thank you so much for clicking on my video. In today's video, I am going to be creating some simple DIYs for your home using these 2-pack of dowels from the Dollar Tree. These DIYs are so simple, easy to do, but they have a really nice high-end look to them. So for the first two DIYs, I'm going to be using a total of 4 packs for each piece. And so that's going to be 8 dowels for each one of my wall decor pieces. And so what I'm going to do is, after I have all of the dowels open, I have 8 on each side because I am doing a pair. And so I am going to arrange these dowels in a design just where they're kind of not even, and they're going to be like down a little bit I'm sorry, down a little bit more in the center. I don't know if that makes sense, but you can see what I'm doing as I am arranging them. So I'm just pushing two. I want the two in the middle to be at the same level, and then the ones on the side, I want those sort of at different levels, like stairs, if that makes sense. And so once I get the first set arranged, I'm just going to arrange the second piece similar to that one, adding it 2 dowels at the same level in the center, and then the other ones like as steps, if that makes sense. Once I have both of them arranged how I want to attach them, I'm going to start attaching them by using my hot glue. You can use wood glue and a combination of hot glue. I just used the hot glue because I did use the Gorilla Sticks and they hold up pretty well. So I just add a line of hot glue and press it up right next to the dowel. These DIYs in today's video using these dowels are so simple and easy to recreate, but I absolutely love how all of them turned out. So as you can see, I'm just going to continue adding a line of the hot glue, placing the dowel right next to it, keeping the arrangement how I have the dowels, and I'm going to do this until I have all 8 of the dowels connected. I hope you all has had a fantastic week so far. This video is supposed to have went up actually yesterday, but I got a little busy, and so I am bringing it to you today, and it's still sort of later than I usually post, but I wanted to get this video out. So once I get all of these dowels connected, for the second one, I'm going to get it started, but for video purposes, I'll connect the other one completely. I'll finish it completely off camera so that we can move along to the next step, because you can see in this first piece, I'm pretty much just adding a line of hot glue and connecting each dowel to the previous dowel. So I'm going to start off with the second piece, but I'll just finish it off camera. Once I get this complete, what I'm creating with these is some candle holders for your wall that you can style on your wall, and I absolutely love how these turn out. You can paint these any color, but I'm going to go with wood stain. So now that I have them both completed, I wanted to just show you that I actually got them almost similar. And so here's that 3-pack of wood slice ornaments that the Dollar Tree sale, and then I have 2 of the little stems out of the pack from the Dollar Tree also. And I'm just looking for my placement. I'm going to add some hot glue, and I'm going to place that right not all the way in the center halfway, because this is going to be how I style the candles. Now for extra security, that's why I'm going to use those little wood stems. I'm going to use that as like a beam for extra security at the bottom, and I wanted to use those because it kind of tied in with the design, and it just gave it a little bit extra character. So I'm going to add glue to the top and to the back so that I can secure it up against the wood slice and up against the dowels, and I'm going to do that to the other one as well. Once I get that complete, then I'm going to go in with the wood stain, and I'm going to use that Kono color, I believe that's the name of it. It's like a dark espresso color, and I really do love how these turned out. They look great as is, but I'm going to stain them. And so I originally was going to do the walnut color, but I decided to go with this just to give it a little bit more of a darker color. Once I get that complete, I am going to go in with this sanding block from the Dollar Tree and just sand this really good. I wanted to bring back some of that natural color. That is going to be it for this, except to add the hanger on the back. You know, I always save those hangers that I take off those canvas frames from the Dollar Tree, or you can actually buy these from Walmart, and all you do is just push it into the wood. I'm going to add some candles on these, and I absolutely love how these turn out. They are so pretty, and the wood looks so good. Now for these two pieces here, I have these little cardboard, I guess these are like little gift boxes with the lid from the lids from the Dollar Tree. I'm removing the lids, but I'm keeping these for the upcoming DIY. So I'm just taking one of them, and I'm going to be creating a pair of these two, and I'm going to add 4 dowels to this. And so I'm just placing it right on the side, but keeping it level with the rim of the little wood box. And so I'm going to take the other one, and I'm just finding my placement. I'm just adding a certain amount of space. You can add these for any way you want, just long as you get it to stand up. It doesn't have to be like perfect, whatever looks good to you when you're placing your dowels. So once I have those two, I'm going to go in and connect the other two. These are really simple, but I really do love how these turned out. This is some really simple, easy decor that you can create for your home. So now I'm going to add the 4th dowel, and as you can see, it already has formed its style, and this is really cute for a candle holder as well. But I am going to be styling some greenery in these, and I'm going to be creating 2. So once I have the 4th dowel, this is how it turned out. Really simple. I'm going to go ahead and create the second one off camera. And now I have a pair. I'm going to use that same color stain to stain this entire piece, including that cardboard box. Even though it's cardboard, it took to the stain because it's a really heavy duty cardboard. And so I was at first worried about the stain, but it held up really good. And you can paint these as well. Once I get both of them painted, I am just going to distress it just a little bit, just the dials and a little bit on the box, just to bring back some of that natural color. I'm going to add some of these succulents that I have inside of these, and these just came out so adorable. I absolutely love them. So for the next DIY, here are those lids. I'm going to use them in 2 different ways. So for the first one, I'm going to use a total of 8 of these dials. And what I'm going to do is attach them to this cardboard lid, but I'm going to attach it with the lid halfway down, not quite halfway, but almost halfway down the dial. And so once I get that attached, I'm going to go on the other side and attach the other one so that I can start getting some stability so that I can be able to attach the rest of them. So I'm going to add the 2 on one side and then the 2 on the other side, just so I can at least get it to stand so that I can start adding the other 4. And I'm going to add the other 4 in between each one of the 2 dials that's already in place. And this is also a candle holder. This is so cute, and you can paint this. I think this would be really pretty if it was white and maybe distressed. I'm actually going to leave it this unfinished color for now because I'm not sure what color I wanted. I'm not even sure where I'm going to style this. So for now, I'm just going to leave it this unfinished color because it actually looked really great. I'm going to add a candle, and that is it for this piece. Now I'm going to be using 4 dowels with this other lid, and this DIY is so cute. I am creating a lantern, but I sort of wanted my lantern to have a look like a teepee, if that makes sense, if I'm saying it correctly, but you'll see exactly what I mean. So I'm just adding the dowels on each side first, and then I'm going to attach another 2, attaching one on one side and the other one on the other side. And now I'm going to have 4 of the dowels. So I'm making sure that I push it up against the side of the lid so that it could be nice and secure and also flexible. So now I'm just pushing them together, as you can see what I mean when I say a teepee. And I'm taking this jute cord. It's that yarn jute cord, so it's the lighter color. And I'm just going to wrap that around the top of the 4 dowels that I pulled together. And I'm just going to tack that down with some hot glue. I thought this was a cute idea for a lantern. I'm going to bring in this greenery pick that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I absolutely love this pick. I am using these picks in a bathroom decor DIY video that I will be posting maybe Friday or maybe next week. I'm not sure, but it is so cute. So tune in for my bathroom decor because I'm going to be using these picks in that video in such a cute way. And so now I just poured off some of those stems, some of those leaves off the stems, and I'm just tucking them in the bottom of my now lantern, just layering them on top of each other. I thought that was so cute. I am going to add in one of these little LED candles out of the 3-pack from the Dollar Tree. I have some other candles from Amazon that I may add in here later, but I'm just going to use one of these for now. And then I decided to take one of the leaves off the stem and just hot glue it to the top, right on top of the little jute cord, just to bring in a little bit more greenery. And I think this is absolutely adorable. I cannot wait to style this in my home. I do have another DIY that I did off camera that I already have styled in my home. I'm going to insert that at the end of this video. It was really simple and easy to make, but I think it was a cute idea using these dowels and the lids from the little cardboard boxes that I use in today's video. I want to say thank you all so much for tuning in and watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video just as much as I did. If so, please remember to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel because I would love to have you here. As always, in the comment section below, let me know which one of these DIYs were your favorite. And until next time, my sweet friends, stay safe so that I can see you in the next video.